What is going on, y'all? Welcome to the Thai Life channel. So today it is my kids' birthday party, two of them. They both born on the 13th and the 16th in October. So now we're gonna celebrate. Today we have a couple events. We're gonna be at this place where they have a big old trampoline park. And then later on tonight, we're gonna have some family event, karaoke, and some food. And we want you guys to join us. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Why are you so excited?
I'm just gonna play with my friends in Silk.
What do you mean?
They have Silk there.
Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Alright, so we're gonna get ready and we're gonna show you guys the whole trip. Thank you. We are here. Who's excited? Alright, we are arriving to Defy and this is how it looks like.
Oh, there's Hazel.
Oh,
Peter. Oh, God.
they're here before us.
This looks familiar.
Look.
Can I come out?
Go.
Hey, Peter.
Peter!
Peter.
Peter! Let's park here.
Oh, this is handicap.
It's okay. We'll
Go, everybody unload. Go.
Help me, guys! Can anyone help me?
Checking in right now.
Huh?
Oh, we did the dip.
When do they start? What time do they
We're
start?
gonna start jumping at 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock? Got it. Are you excited? You excited?
Should be knowledgeable.
Oh, no.
How are you?
Hey, how's it, brother?
Thanks for coming.
Yeah, absolutely, man.
Thank you.
Hello, thanks for having us.
Thanks for coming. Are you going to join us tonight?
Yeah,
Tonight. It's tonight.
Round 2.
I've been looking forward to it.
You guys tell me how excited you guys for Kaylin's birthday. Super excited? Look at you. Are you hyped?
I'm ready.
How excited are you, Sadia?
Good.
Good. You excited? Are you guys excited? How excited are you?
I'm
You
excited.
ready?
Yeah.
What time is it now? What time is it now?
36. We just got 36.
Are you guys ready? Green light. Red light. You gotta go back. You gotta go back. I see you running. Colin's out. Colin. Alright, get back. You gotta get back. You left the building. Alright, green light. Red light. Oh, you guys are good. You guys are good. Red light. Go back. I see you move. I see you move. Alright, alright. Green light. Red light. I think she won because she got me by the fist. She got the Superman fist out. She won. All right, good job, guys. Good job. Wow, Kaylin, let me see. Whoa. Oh, you almost hit Carter. Oh, are you guys gonna make it? Are you guys gonna make it? Let me see, go. I'm rooting for you. I'm rooting for you. Come on, guys. You got this, Kaylin. Hurry up, you gotta make it quick. Oh! guy? 1, 2, 3. Let me shut the cake for you guys. All right, you guys ready for party number 2? Party number 2 with the family. So we're gonna prep right now. They are about to show up, and we got some Vietnamese dessert called cha. Some pizza. Oops, somebody took a slice. Just some good stuff right there. That looks good. But it's all vegetarian tonight because my family is a vegetarian. So we gotta make sure. Look at that, guys. That looks good. This is all vegetarian right here. I'll show you guys more later. I was in the middle of cutting and I forgot that we need to like camcord and do a part 2 of this event, birthday for the kids. Tonight's just all the family coming together. So I don't know. You don't need to.
Huh?
It is getting dark and we are just about to wait for my family to show up for dinner. Kids are just having fun right now. Come on, sir. And my mom making egg roll for the family.
Nó egg roll của chị Kiều. Chị Kiều.
And then we got the dessert.
Chị Kiều làm mà
My
làm.
sister made this, but she's helping her frying it. What's up, Danny?
Happy birthday to me.
Hi.
Come on, go eat, guys. Go eat before everybody shows up. When they show up, it's like war. You came from a big family, so you know.
You can drink here all day, all night, no problem. You can work home.
Yeah, you can say that.
You work home, no problem. The cop cannot do anything with you. Yo, come on, yo. Yeah.
How do you say cheers in
Yo.
Yo, yeah.
Oh, easy.
Yo.
Yeah, next week.
I'm so glad we met. I'm so glad he moved here, man. Because I would not know who my neighbor would be if it wasn't him.
Between myself and my wife.
He intimidated me a little, like in the beginning he intimidated me a little bit because with his shaved head, he kind of looked like Thug for a minute. So I was like, oh man, I gotta watch out for this guy. Like, Hawkeye's loading up right now. And then, you know, and then our first 4th of July together, it was almost like a competition where he blows up his fireworks and I blow up mine. It was like, but I didn't want to say anything because like I keep eyeing like what color is he wearing? Because is it blue? Is it red? You know, we want to make sure that we are not affiliating with no gangs. So that's my first impression of Peter right there.
That's funny.
Why is it funny?
I'm the most anti-gang ever.
Con này ra đi vô.
Đi làm cực khổ về nhà. Thôi tới ăn gì lấy tới ăn. Mà ăn đồ chứ mới đi vụ trường vậy đó.
Ủa? Cái chi tao mũi vậy? Đấy, xin chặt nó mặt nóng nhăn chặt cái mặt nó đèn nó mới kìa. Ôi, nó làm nó mới
Quay, mang ngày đi chia đi mua cho cái áo này.
đó, ôi cái ngon lành đấy hả?
Đi mua cho này.
Mới mà chạy thôi là mới ốp đen là 4 lần có tiền.
Thảo gì má nữa đâu có sao đâu không?
Đi đi có tiền kia chưa? Không là có.
Đâu cái gì mình mang cũng đẹp hết á. Không có bây giờ mà I don't get anything. No, I don't care about brand name. Để giới thiệu như quý vị cũng biết đây là gia đình mình rồi phải không? Đây là Kiều Nhi mắt trợn. Ok nha. Ok nha nào, ok nha.
Ủa anh với là vấn đề em cưới vậy?
Nó đi bất đầy mà nó lên cho tao cái đồ một xíu nữa.
Quá, đi lòng chỗ rồi.
Giống như đi quay và đi bên đây vậy đó. Giống như đi quay bên đây vậy đó.
Chọc quá.
Ghê quá. Nó nói vậy phải đúng là tiền. Bây giờ mình lên YouTube đó, mình phải mang đồ cho đẹp. Bây giờ bước vô nhà này là biết nào cái khéo rồi.
Who is up here? Wow, it feels so much better up here. It's hot.
I came up here because you guys were playing the drums.
And then she heard some decisions.
Yeah, and then I heard.
Who wrote this one? Caitlin? Yeah.
Stop.
Time for the coffee.
I'm gonna break. I'm tired. It's hot. We back online. I was tired earlier, but I'm still tired. But I'm gonna do it. Got you, Lil, in the house.
Oh hey, how's it going?
Hold your hair, man.
Cousin right here.
Got that bullet.
Here, follow me. My aunt. This is my aunt. You got a good frame?
Yeah,
Good
I got
frame?
good frame. Yeah, I got good
My Uncle Tay.
Oh, wow.
Thôi vô ăn rồi đó. Vô ăn. Asian people, they don't really look at the camera when you wave at them or anything. They just do their own thing. They like, don't you Howley?
Oh, you see this? It's like poor people food. We about to eat now. Noodles and soy sauce. The best though. Oh, what you know about that Maggi seasoning? Hey, you suck, suck.
Hạnh phúc của tôi đã qua một màn vơi để quên đi cái đất xưa cuộc đời mang đến em ước muốn tu đầy cầu có một người con gái nhớ quê xa với bờ dòng sông dẫn mơ giữa một thời chiều tư buồn rầu. This is how we party as a family right here, y'all. We just invite everybody and we just have fun. That's it. That's how simple it is, and that's how we celebrate the kids' birthday. The kids got their fun in the morning. Now it's our time to have fun. But it's all family though, right?